Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Karibu. My name is Nyayoka Gishu, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Also, if you're not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to join our little family. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own anti-dandruff shampoo. Yeah, how to use aspirin to get rid of your dandruff, basically. Okay, so what you'll be needing is just aspirin tablets from any pharmacy or chemist. You can get them. Then I'll be using this Mikala shampoo. So before I show you the process, maybe I can just tell you more about the aspirin. So number one, aspirin helps in shedding. If your hair is shedding or it's just breaking, shedding and what is it called? Balding. Yes, balding. That's the word I was looking for. You can use aspirin. It helps in hair growth. Also, aspirin contains something known as salicylates. Yeah, so that's the same substance that's always in the medicated shampoos, like the medicated anti-dandruff shampoos. So instead of going for those high-end shampoos, which are quite expensive by the way, you can make your own DIY anti-dandruff shampoo, which actually works magic. I guess I don't remember anything else, but that's it. So how to make it is pretty simple. So here I have quite a number of tablets. So I'll only be using like these 5, and the ratio that I always use is like 3 tablets per 100 ml. 3 tablets per 100 ml, of which I always shampoo my hair like 2 to 3 times, depending on how dirty it is, how oily my hair is, the amount of buildups I have, and let's say like the amount of products I have in my hair. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I always shampoo my hair depending on how it is. Like right now, I can shampoo my hair twice because I had shampooed my hair like 3 weeks ago, and I don't think it's that dirty. Like the dandruff are not that visible. Kidogo tu kwa umbali. But if you know me, you know that my hair, the dandruff that I used to have. So here I'm using 5 tablets because the shampoo I have here imefika sana here, and that's like 200 to 250 ml. So that's why I want to use these 5 tablets. So the process is quite simple. All you have to do is take the tablets, crush the tablets without water or anything else. Then mix them up with your shampoos. So I'll just go crush my tablets off camera. So I'm done crushing. This is what they look like. So all you have to do, take a shampoo, pour this inside. Mix it up like thoroughly. And after a good mix up, our anti-dandruff shampoo is ready. Our anti-dandruff, stroke hair loss, stroke hair growth, stroke balding shampoo is ready. So guys, I'd highly recommend that you try this shampoo, and especially if you suffer from dandruff. Like I can show you an example. I used to have like flat hair. In 3 weeks I've not washed my hair, and you can barely see my dandruff, by the way. I'm not even kidding. So I really hope that you're going to try this, and once you try this, tell me in the comment section what your experience was and how you love it or you hate it. Anything, any comment. So that's it for today's video, and I really hope that I'll see you in my next upload. So till next time, bye.